Do you know the RMS level specs for audiobooks? Do you know how to check your audio file's RMS levels? In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your RMS levels in iZotope RX version 6. This is Susan with VoiceOver Tech Everything, helping the voiceover world solve their voiceover tech problems. First, I'll show you how to check your RMS levels, and then I'll explain why this is an important part of your production. To check my levels, I like to use the most magical audio editing software ever, iZotope RX. I'm using version 6, but you can check in all the latest RX versions. I have iZotope RX open on my PC. Now, I'm going to check the level of my waveforms in a new window. So in iZotope RX, I go to my Window menu and down to Waveform Statistics. And this little box pops up. Now, what I want to do is drag the audio file in that I want to inspect. I'll use a chapter from Janine Lauren's delightful romance, Love's Fresh Start. I simply drag the file I want to check into RX, and the program computes the levels for me. We're looking for the total RMS level, which is negative 21.03 decibels. Looks great. Now you can also drag in multiple files to check. Just select the files from your folder and drag them on in. Chapter 7 looks good. Chapter 6 looks good, and so on. So you just learned how to use iZotope RX to check your RMS levels. This is Susan with VoiceOver Tech Everything, a channel for voice actors by voice actors to help you solve your voiceover tech problems. If you learned something, hit like. If you want to learn more, hit subscribe. Now, here's why checking your RMS levels is an important part of your production process. RMS stands for root mean square, and it's just the average level of the electrical signals in your digital audio files. So to make sure that the audio files that you submit to your audiobook production house or to your e-learning clients are in the sweet spot, not too loud or not too soft, you have a range of where the audio needs to fall. Most production houses, including ACX and Findaway Voices, require the RMS levels to be between negative 23 decibels, with the abbreviation of dB, and negative 18 decibels. If your files fall somewhere between negative 23 decibels and negative 18 decibels, you're good to go, and your audiobook can move on to market. However, if your files are outside of the negative 23 decibel and negative 18 decibel range, say they're at negative 24 decibels or negative 17 decibels, your entire audiobook gets kicked back and sales are delayed. So one of the reasons to check those levels is so you can get paid. It's also kind of embarrassing to get your audiobook kicked back when the RMS levels are out of range, especially with ACX. Their quality assurance team lets you and your author know about the bad levels, and your author knows. So here we are in this extremely cutthroat business where there's a glut of voice actors, and you get picked to produce a book, but then at the end, you screw up something really easy to avoid. That doesn't exactly put you at the top of your author's shortlist for their next book. And if you want to join the ranks of narrators who get offers without auditioning, you have to make sure that all the technical things that are in your control are correct, like RMS levels. It's pretty easy to check, why wouldn't you? And how about this? In the comments section, leave a comment about a small thing that you've done that got you to the top of an author's shortlist. All right, you made it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. This is Susan with VoiceOver Tech Everything, helping voice actors solve their technical problems. If you learned something, hit like. If you want to learn more, hit subscribe. See you next time.